So I need everybody in here to go hop on the YouTube. For what a trade. Oh shit, I still have featuring Faco in the... Where your ass was at? Where your ass was at? Dog bitches wouldn't need. I think something's fucked up in the description of my video, so I just need to... See, yeah, there's an issue here. Edit video. Alright, so I need this. And let's go to the live. Here, let me bring the chart up for you guys. And then I'll do that on a different screen. I don't think it's too late to enter, guys, like honestly. Because I have to fix so many things about this live. Just like the title and everything. Let me make sure the Streamlabs is all good. Yeah, it is. I miss high RR trades, bro. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else you want, bro. This is a 1 to 4.5 would be pulling out here, so what else do you want? I miss having a good community. I have a bunch of bitches in my shit now, bro. Like, they get very annoying. It's a pretty good trade. I think this is gonna hit, bro. I made sure so clearly, like, nobody could fucking say, oh, this shit was fucking whatever pips away. Like, bro, I had that shit ready. Like, saw it stay at the entry. I called it, like, even above the entry just to make sure. Like, I was so cautious with this one. Let me be active with the chat. Let's see. Yeah, guys, make sure to slap that like button. Somebody asked where I'm at. I'm in Cairo, Egypt, bro. I'm here visiting the fam and everything, and it's beautiful out here. It's a little cold outside, bro. Ooh. Fuck. Shit got disconnected. There we go. I'm back. Bro, I need like a higher desk. Like, I'm just using like a table I found here, and it's like too low, so like when I go to the computer, like it hurts my back. As you guys can see, oh, actually you guys can't see. Give me 1 second. Let me put it on the screen. I'm new here. I'm impressed with your 20% of profit almost every week, and I just want to congratulate you. I'm going to bed because it's 2 a.m. here. I'm sure on your odd. Nice, bro. Thank you. Sometimes, nah, this guy's smoking. Why did my camera turn off again? Let's fix that. It's like not even registering the Elgato right now. The cam link. There we go. All right, let me see. We have 150 viewers on right now. How many likes do we have? We only have 23 likes. If we don't get this up to 100 likes in the next 10 minutes, I'm just going to call the stream there. I need 100 likes. There's 150 of you guys on here, 157. I need 100 likes or I'm hopping off. $160 people on now. Yeah, I need 100 likes ASAP. Put a timer for 10 minutes. So guys, in the chance that this momentum doesn't carry on, I think that we have very valid buys if we see this happen, right? Where price comes down and then we have this low over here, this wick. If we close under here and then break structure, I think that these buys will be very valid, like honestly. Let's see. I did like that we broke above that trend line. I thought that was going to be a really good confluence. So we'll see what we're retesting now, but this would be like my backup option for a trade. Damn, 4,200 members in the Discord. Good shit, guys. See Streamlabs. That's why I said gold can be very indecisive during London. Yeah, I can. I just want to say I love your strategy and was able to build off it and make my own. That's fire. I think that's very important. I think it's never about like just copying my strategy exactly. It's about finding a way to make it your own. Gurov joins the funded party. Congrats, bro. Proud of you. Passed my 100K last night with your signals. That's so fire, bro. Good shit. Very well. I'm able to minimum catch 3-1. Yeah, bro. I think 3-1 is like a really good minimum. Yo, Ollie, where can I find the free webinar you did with your student friend? I'm gonna post that one soon. You're right. I haven't posted that. My internet connection here sucks, bro. So I haven't had the chance to post that. But I will as soon as possible, bro. Definitely don't want to see us close under that. A strong wick would be beautiful. A close could be brutal. Close under. A strong wick above would be very nice. One thing you guys got to notice though is like, let's say it closes here, like the next candle is technically starting below. I'd never like that to happen. I like the next candle to always start above. So like I'd want to close up here if we could. See what I mean? Like technically closed on a line, but the next one opens under it. So that I never like. But we do have a new hour that just opened. And our stops are tucked right below the last hour. So if we are going to continue the momentum, like if this will be the momentum trade I'm looking for, this should hold. If not, that's totally fine. I think that there's a possibility we take it from lower. Or guys, like a part of trading in general is like you're not going to be profitable every single day. Like I know a lot of people get an unrealistic expectation because like I manipulate the risk to reward so well. I've made profits so many days that the one day I don't make profit, like people throw a fit. But that's just, that's not realistic. Like there will be days I don't make profit. There will be days like that shit like that will happen. Even weeks, months, bro. There's traders who have like a month where they're not profitable. Thank God I could say like it's never extended to that. I think one time in VIP, one time I had a negative week, and that was about it. But I've always been able to overcome. I think it's just like the fact that I truly don't care about risk to reward. Like, bro, Q Bank said it. He's like a trader could lose $100 20 times and then in one trade make 4,000. He's like, the fucking win rate doesn't matter. The only thing that matters when you're trading is can you make money or not? At the end of the day, when you fucking check your account, is there a profit or not? I do really like the rejection right there. I mean, pretty beautiful so far. If the minute one closes above that SMA, I think that's a very good sign. All right, let's see how this goes. Trust me on it, guys. Let's read the chat again. Join the Discord. Oh, let's see how many fucking likes we have. Yeah, we're only at 77. There's 3 minutes left. If we're not at 100 likes, I'm just gonna end the live stream. I don't mind doing VIP only stuff. Like, I hop on here to help other people out. But I mean, if they don't want it, bro, by all means, I don't. Like, I can go to the gym right now. I'll go. I'll spend my day doing something else. We're only at 77. Like, people are literally on the stream. 157 people on the stream, but they won't hit the like. So there's 2 minutes 45 seconds left. If we're not at 100 likes by the end of that, I'm literally just gonna go hit the gym. Like, my cousin wants me to go to the gym with him. I don't mind, guys. I do this shit for free. Like, I'm not getting paid to YouTube live stream. I don't have donations on. I don't monetize my channel. So it's like, it's the last thing. There's no source of income coming from this. It's literally just educational. Two minutes left. Oh, okay. We smashed 100. We smashed 100 likes. Like, that should just be standard for you guys, though. Like, hop on the live and fucking hit like. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure we like. Make sure we subscribe. Like, this shit, I mean, bro, people take this shit for granted. Like, I don't need to do this, you know? Let's get rid of this Telegram because I want to be able to see the whole chart. Am I on Mac? Yeah, I'm on Mac. See, this is healthy for the minute 5 if we can still close above. There is no top wick. The best case scenario would be if we see this whole thing flip. It has flipped quite a lot in that last candle. The momentum looks to be holding so far. When you see the minute one give a solid close over that SMA, like this is where it's going to start to reject. If it closes above that, like it's a pretty good sign, honestly. Like this minute 5 started out looking really bad, but this isn't bad to me. Not necessarily. How's the minute 15 looking? Like that same thing like isn't necessarily that bad to me. I would have wanted that minute 5 to close a little higher, but it's not the end of the world that it didn't. Somebody said, what pair am I on? They're watching this from their phone. This is gold, XAU USD. Somebody asked about supply and demand. So supply and demand in the market is essentially, I mean, you guys know I trade order blocks. So like supply and demand are areas of big wicks where you're going to notice like price moves from, because there's like either a lot of demand that people want to buy from there or a lot of supply that people want to sell from. It's pretty simple. Like supply and demand is everything in life. Everything. Think about any grocery store you go to, any or shoes, right? If there's higher demand, there's lower supply in the shoe, and a lot of people will buy at this price or whatever. So when you're buying shoes for resale, right? Imagine the shoes retail cost $200. Okay, a couple people got in at $200. Now some people are reselling at $300. A lot of people don't mind paying that much difference, but now some other people are going to be reselling at $600. Would you want to buy at $600? Because if you're buying at $600, there's a chance that the shoe value now drops to $400. Now you're down. You know, that's like the same thing as being a drawdown. So you want to find the most optimal supply and demand zones. Somebody said, should I exit from gold? To me, I wouldn't exit gold. Like I used proper risk on it, and I believe in my setups. So if I lose, like worst case, I lost, bro, and I lost 2%. It's not the end of the world. It's about finding a trading style that you can manipulate your edge with. So my edge is when I do win, I can catch really big wins. Doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to catch really big wins all the time. So that's a flaw in my trading, you know, a con to it. And yeah. So like I could lose 2-3 trades, but then catch like 15% in the next trade. To me, it's like, okay, I'd rather do that. It's like I said, like I personally, the way I trade, what sits in my heart and my soul is I don't really care about my win rate. Yes, obviously, like I care about it, but it's not the end of the world if I don't have a good win rate. What I care about when it comes to trading is, can I make money? If I can make money, that's awesome. If I can't make money, then I'm wasting my time. I don't care if I win 9 trades in a row. I can win 9 trades in a row, and all of them are $20 wins. And then I lose one, and now I fucking lost $400. Like, that doesn't make sense to me. How do you backtest and refine your trading strategy? So to me, I've stopped backtesting the markets. What I do is I trade live because you get the emotions. You get it out of there. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut myself off. Somebody says somebody letting that chopper in the background. Bro, I hear that shit. I'm thinking right now, like, bro, that shit is loud as fuck. I can tell it's far away. I want to know, how does it sound for them? Like, over there, like, right in front of it, bro. How the fuck does it sound? Like, that shit is... I have headsets on, and that shit is loud. Like, I want to know what it is. Bro, it's a great push right now. I really like this push so far. And, bro, that would make a beautiful minute 15 close. So, I saw somebody asked about order blocks. So, let me explain this to you, bro. Order blocks are essentially areas in the market. It's just like supply and demand. Let's say you're in a downtrend, and then you break structure towards the upside. The order block would be the lowest candle resting in here. Or that would also be seen as a demand zone. So, order blocks, supply and demand, they're the same thing, really. It's just different terminology. And then that zone is most likely going to be bringing you back upwards. That's the way it's seen. If you don't know that much about it, I have a free course. It's the Pip and Dip Crash Course. You're going to see there's a link in the description. It just takes you to wop.com/pipandip. And here you guys are going to see literally everything I offer. and there's a free Discord chat. So today, what I did was I hopped on the Discord, and let me bring up the Discord just so you guys can see it, so I can really show you. Let's see, window capture, where is it? Add new source, Discord. And let's just fix the sizing on this. So as you guys can see here, today I hopped on the Discord, and I just had people send, and it's free for anyone. I just had people send their charts in here, and I essentially just broke down what I'm seeing versus what they're seeing and tried to help them out. So like everybody in here sent their charts. I hopped on a session. Over here we have live trading sessions. Everybody was able to join up, and I was looking at all the charts. I was going over them, and then as you guys can see, when I scroll a little bit lower, you're gonna see I responded to each one of these guys, and I sent them even my own chart, how I was looking at it. And yeah, we were just able to help each other grow. Like I explained very clearly what I'm seeing and just how everything is playing out. See, so I highly recommend you guys join here. The reason why I disbanded the Telegram chat is the Telegram chat was just becoming a big hassle to moderate. People were sending a lot of spam in there. It's a lot of the wrong stuff in there, and I wasn't moderating it. The Discord, I do have moderators, plus it's a lot more computer friendly. So when I'm on the charts, I'm able to look at it very easily. I'm able to help people out that way. So it's literally as simple as, guys, there's the free Discord right there. You just hit get access and it links it to your Discord. Or there's the crash course. This used to be called Trading Pack, but I just renamed it to the crash course because there's so much more to my trading now, like so much more expansion to my skill set and my arsenal. But I will say this, everything in here can make you profitable. If you study it the right way, this crash course will make you profitable. It's 100% free. But not everybody's willing to put in that work. It's another thing I'll say. That was a beautiful minute 15 close, guys. Like, beautiful. And how do you identify direction and liquidity? Just check the higher time frames, bro. Liquidity is, to me, it's a ton of wicks in the market. Because I see OBs up and down account. So one huge thing is real highs and real lows, and I think that's in like episode 2 of that crash course. Hey guys, we're dropping sauce. We're dropping banger trades. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and to like this up. And one thing I do want to talk about, guys, I think this is very important that you guys hear this. Let me get my camera back on. I don't know why it keeps turning off every time I move. This is so annoying. I don't know why it just won't turn back on. I can have this one on, but I want my actual camera. There we go. There's that handsome beast. Anyways, what I want to say, guys, is when it comes to trading, right, whether you're using funded accounts or using demos, I think it's very bullshit to not have a live account on the side, because at the end of the day, if you have a live account, those are still your real emotions. A lot of times, even on prop firms, they're still kind of seen as demos, so people don't treat them the right way, and they just start to fucking essentially like bullshit them, like, oh, I'm a Hail Mary this trade because it's not really my money. That's not the reality, bro. That doesn't help you get sharper as a trader. I mean, prop firms are built on the backbones of people failing. The only model that can be successful when people make money is brokers, because brokers charge a commission for trading. It doesn't matter if you win or lose, they're charging you a commission on the trading, on the lots you place. So that's why, like, bro, whether you put $25, $50, $100, $100,000, it should always be as well. If not, like, if it's not your only place, then you should also have it on a brokerage. It doesn't matter how small you start. And so that's why, like, the broker I use, they have raw spread accounts, they have zero commission accounts, and they're about to drop Islamic accounts, which have no interest, no swap fees. Those are going to be fire for Muslims like me, because then it avoids that whole haram factor. And if you guys want to use that, you can sign up in the link in the description. And then also, guys, like, when you share your link on the broker, like, let's say you don't have enough money, right? You can get people to sign up on your link, and then every time they place one lot, you can make $6. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just how any broker is set up. And yeah, that's literally the model. Bro, you guys can hear this dude is fucking unleashing hell with some, bro, it sounds like he's just, like someone said, he's unleashing the chopper on him. This is very nice push. Very, very nice push. I'm really liking this trade so far. Once we touch this trend line, I'm going stops to break even. Honestly, I'm going to go stops to break even now. I've now moved stops to break even. Let's see how much I'm up. I don't know why I can't connect to the App Store right now. Damn, bro, I just saw that we were at 250 people, and then we just dropped like 174. What the hell just happened? 80 people influxed and left? The year just started up right now. I'm looking for cribs overseas. Damn, that's a horrible rejection. But there's a reason why we set stops to break even. It's because there's a chance that this rejects from here. Let's get back to the chat. Yeah, I'm doing a 3K giveaway. As long as if we get to 300 concurrent members, right now we're at 182. If we can stay at 300, I'll do a $3,000 giveaway. And I'll pick someone right from the audience. Like, somebody's asked me what that sound is. Bro, I wish I knew. I truly wish I knew. Yeah, I'm still in Egypt, guys. There's for sure some construction going on over there, bro. It's crazy. I've never heard shit that loud, bro. Like, yeah, no, that shit straight up sound like not even AKs, bro. It sounds like choppers, bro. That shit's like miles away. It sounds like, and I'm still loud as fuck. Like, I can only imagine being right there, bro. Hey, Ali, I really struggle with your time zones. My boy is running the New York session. He just called like 10% yesterday. And I'm doing New York as well with him. And I'm moving to Miami, so New York session will be a lot easier because it'll be like 8 a.m. But I will be honest with you, my main focus is London. My boy, my most successful student, I've had him hop on some lives with VIP recently. He's been killing it. His main focus is New York. I trust him. Like, I literally taught him everything he knows. So, yeah. I'm up 2K on gold right now. My Faku, my boy Faku, he's gonna be on live at. He's gonna hop on live right after the news. Ali, I promise you, I'm gonna buy a car off your lives. Yeah, I know you will. We be smacking, bro. We be smacking trades. When you headed back to the States, I'm headed back, inshallah, bro, on the 11th. That's when I'm gonna be moving into my new apartment. I just got a high rise in Miami, 19th floor. It's like a 20 story building. I got the 19th. I think 19 is like the most livable, and then I think they have like a rooftop patio. So I'm excited, bro. It's a sick ass unit. It's got like high ceilings. It's sick, bro. It looks fire. I'm really excited. I want like people who can make custom artwork. Like, I want to get a couple pieces for there. If anyone in the chat does that. We said you trained Faku one-on-one. Yeah, bro. Like, I met Faku back in May, and like something about him, I was like, bro, I'm gonna take you under my wing. Like, don't worry. Like, I got you. Like, something, like, bro, just something told me, yo, this kid's special. Like let's get him right. And bro, I never charged him for anything. I literally just mentored him one-on-one. Like, we did Zooms. I'd go meet up with him in person, like every time I was in Miami. Super great kid, bro. Honestly, like, I fuck with him a lot. Why isn't this shit charging? Or why did it just turn off? I don't like this pullback. But, I mean, we do have stops to break even, worst case. Bro, why does this one keep turning? Is it not, like, plugged in? Let me make sure this shit's plugged in, guys. Give me a sec. You guys want to see this watch I think I'm gonna buy? I'm gonna go try it on right when I get to Miami. I said next 5 minutes will be a doji and push up. Yeah, that would be dope. That would be dope. Well, let me, like, I don't know why the camera kind of looks like shit. I don't know about this doji, bro. Eek. The bright side is the trend line is above our entry. So, like, you know, since the trend line's above our entry, it could be bouncing off of here. That would be a good sign. If we break under, I mean, like I said, stops are at break even. I'm not going to lose on this trade. I think that would be a dumb move. London's not open yet, to be fair. I think that's like when the real push will happen. I mean, worst case, we could break even and then look for another confluence to hop back in. Like, that's always a possibility. Yeah, it looks like we're about to break even. We're about to break even. Yeah, alright. So now we just gotta keep an eye. Alright, this one, break even, has been hit. What I do think might happen is we might get this set up now. Keep an eye on this. This is a possibility. Possibility is the key word. My bad, guys. If I'm not active with the chat right now, it's because like I can't necessarily have the chat on and look at the chart, so it's like one or the other. Yeah, we hit break even on this one. I'd rather take break even than SL, and I'd rather take break even sticking to my plan than not sticking to my plan and hitting take profit, if that makes sense. It's because like the longevity of those habits, like yes, today could be the day where you won by not sticking to your plan, but it's not going to be like that every day. Getting the signal ready, because if we get like a strong close above here, I think it's game for an entry. As long as we close above this moving average, I think that it'll be a strong confluence to enter. But that's why we're still waiting. Like I'm in no rushes here to take a trade. When do I make a so I'm going back to Miami, and there's actually a podcast that I'm going to be the co-host of. It's called Traders Cast. I don't know if you guys have seen. I've done an episode on it. I was the first episode, and luckily Lewis has hit me up. He told me he would like me to become a co-host on it. Kind of liking these confluences right now. Like, I think if this closes above here, it's going to be a really good entry. You trade New York session too? So I trade New York session sometimes, but my boy Faku is going to be doing like pretty much daily New Yorks with the VIP. And he's been killing it. So I mean, anyone in the chat, if you guys could vouch, give an honest opinion on Faku, really, like, I would help. I said, what time will be news over? So news is what, 3? It's like 6 hours from now. All right, there might be an entry happening. Come on, as long as we get the close, bro. Give me the close. Give me the close. Give me your close. Take off your clothes. What? I think it's gonna drop a little. Alright, I'm in. I'm in. So it'll be a potential trade 3, I guess. Or no, I'll put trade 2. Let's remove that, like, stops the break-even text. No, this is trade 1. This is the trade we are in. Currently in these buys. Which allows us actually for a better risk to reward than our other entry. The other entry was only going to be a 1 to... it was going to be a 1 to 4.5. If we hit take profit on this one, it would be a 1 to 6. Because we have a tighter stop loss now. Shit, let me get back to the chat, my bad. I was texting my pops about this watch. You don't get charged a fee for holding multiple days. If you have an Islamic account, you don't. Should I get out on high and trade again the next high low? I don't really know your thing. How much is a cheap rental spot in Miami? I don't know, bro. Yo, Ali, LLC or C? I have an LLC. Pretty sure corps are like better if you have multiple employees. Gotta get stopped on the scaling, bro. On the re-entry. Pretty sure it's gonna get I don't think it holds there. There we go, yeah. It's probably gonna tank below. I mean, if it holds this, like this area is still somewhat valid, but I think it's gonna tank below and potentially give us this setup, the trade too. Alright. Alright, so the next two potential trades we could have are if this like holds this zone here and it breaks structure here, then what I would do is I'd call buy limits. Yeah, the return of buy limits would be here. And that would be one idea. That would be potential trade 2. And then potential trade 3 would be from down here. So I would just say make sure your fucking risk is on lock, because there's a chance we lose 3 trades, right? Anytime you're in the markets, there's a chance you lose. So, I mean, if we get the confirmation for each one of them and I lose every single one of them, I don't care, because I followed my plan. If I rush it and I lose, like let's say I just hop in now because I think we're going to get the break of structure or whatever, and then I lose because of that, that's fucking stupid. Like that I shouldn't be doing. You know, that no trader should be doing. If I follow my plan, I get the break of structure or whatever in the demand zone I like, in the order block I like, then it's fair game if I lose. Somebody said your original strat is way better. 1 minute trend lines. What the fuck is that? I literally used the same exact strategy. I just added an extra confluence. Like I think people are really retarded when they say your original strategy is better. Like, bro, I've been catching insane trades. Like, you guys can say whatever strategy is better, but at the end of the day, like when I'm withdrawing money out of my account, when I'm going to the store to buy an AP, when I'm going to a new state because I'm getting a new fresh crib out there, when I'm driving my Mercedes Benz and I put stars in the ceiling and it's paid by whatever strategy I trade, like that's how I'm gonna trade. So you can stick to doing whatever you want, bro. You don't even need to watch this, like G shit. But I know whoever's here is, I mean, there's two solutions. There's only 2 things I think are guaranteed in trading. It's you're either gonna win with me or you're gonna watch me win. That's the only thing I know is guaranteed. Because I know over the course of 10 trades, I will be profitable. I might not be profitable over the course of 3 trades, but over 5 trades, I will be profitable. Over the course of a week, I will be profitable. Over the course of a month, I will be profitable. Over the course of a year, I will be profitable. There's nothing else. So I'm just tired of hearing like this other shit. Like, bro, G shit, I mean, sitting in my life, bro. Like, what else do you want? You know, I got my gang. I got my people who rock with me. I'd rather have 10 people who rock with me than 200 people who are fake. Like, I'll put it that way. So that right there. But like people don't understand. Like I'm still trading the same exact. I'm waiting for lower time frame order block to be respected and everything. I'm just waiting on an extra confluence. Like that's literally the only difference. But I mean, bro, I could be a trader who just like starts to send like TP1 and make it look like I'm on like a fucking 30 win streak. Like, by all means, bro. I mean, if that's what it takes for people to just like, it's funny because like I'm here to show like the real side of trading, but people just like don't even, people don't want to see it necessarily. People want to see pretty shit. Like they want to see like, oh, this guy's on a 10 win streak. Okay, bro, you want to see a 10 win streak? I'll show you a 10 win streak. Like, backtest any of my signals, every single one of them hits TP1 like by the criteria these guys put. I'm just real. Like, if I caught 18% in my signal room, it's because I caught 18% in my signal room. But other signal rooms will tell you guys like, hey, you know what? Trade TP1 smashed. They don't tell you to close, nothing. You're just kind of left in the dark, right? They don't tell you to close or anything. You're left in the dark, and then after that, what the fuck happens? You're fucked. I'm just trying to debate something in this trade. Just have to be very fucking patient right now, bro. Like, it's a very, very important time. Like, there's a very good possibility to do some crazy damage right here if we execute the right way. The 4 hour is very bearish. I will point that out. Somebody told me to check the 4 hour. The 4 hour is extremely bad. I mean, the 1 hour looks much cleaner. And the 1 hour had a fat rejection right there. I'm in. Get back to the stream. Back at the stream. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Yeah, bro. Keep risk on lock, please. London is gonna open in 10 minutes. Bro, I'm telling you, I think there's some great opportunities on gold, but just keep your fucking risk on lock, man. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Chat, you guys gotta get me to stop biting my nails. It's a big fucking issue of mine. Yeah, I'm gonna get rich or die trying, exactly. Nah, it's just like a bad habit of mine. It's not even stress. I just like fidget on stuff. I'm about to close out breaky. Hold on. About to close out break even. Just give me a sec before I do. Let's look left real quick. So if the minute one holds here, I'm not. I mean, if we break from here, that's fine. But thinking my stops might go break even temporarily. It's weird how I trade. Like sometimes it's more valid to have stops to break even here, and then if we break this, then it's like valid to move your stop loss back versus the other way around. I don't know if you guys necessarily get what I mean there. we hit break even on that one, but this one, watch guys, watch. But this one, watch guys, watch. This, trust me on it, guys. This, we hit break even on that one, but this one, watch guys, watch. And I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this. Let's get back to the chat. I think I'm gonna get the Vision Pro. I think I'm gonna get it. See, like, if we reject here and touch break even, I'll close. But if we break above this and then we come back down, I'm not closing. I really wish I would have called the limits just because people wanted them, but I think we're all on this. We're on this very happily, very healthily. It's a very nice confluence. This is no longer potential. This is trade too. Yo, chat, drop a 1 if you're in this trade with me. It's a really solid push so far, honestly. London's gonna open in 1 minute. The hour really heavily recovered. I mean, it looked extremely bearish, but now it's like flipping. The minute 15 looks a lot better. A lot of these trades, a lot of these time frames like are looking a lot healthier for the buys. See, I like how we're at this 8-hour SMA right here. I think that's a really good confluence. Alright, is that London open now? Yeah, it is. London is open. Let's see what we have in store. $217 people on the stream, guys. Wait, can you guys see my screen? Is it stuck? What's going on? Because the Wi-Fi here is so shit, so sometimes my stream lags. Chat, can somebody else confirm? Hello? Hello? Yeah, no, I'm good. I don't know why that guy keeps saying it's stuck. All right. Louder volume. Is that better? 233 people on the live. Thank you guys so much. I just want to say, guys, I do these lives for free. I don't have donations turned on. I don't have my videos. I don't have ads on my videos. They're not monetized. I do this literally just out of my time to try to help people. So all I ask in return is to like the stream. To like the stream and to subscribe. And I do this almost every single day. And I do it for free. We take the trades together. I show you guys winning trades. And yeah. So I would really just appreciate a like and a subscription. See, we're at 11.3K. I would love to see this go up to 11.4K on this live stream. I think we're like less than 50 people there. And I know we have over 50 new faces on the stream. It's a great, but yeah, guys, we need 7 more subscribers to reach 11.4K. Let's make sure that we smack that. Just 7. Bro, this is a great push on gold, man. Great push, great push. Already, how much are we floating already? Yeah, bro, we're floating 1 to 2.5, so that's 5% right now. It's a really, really nice trade so far. Let's get rid of this shit. Probably sent my dad the watch I want to buy, and he just goes, I don't like it. Like, I sent him a watch, and he's like, my Daytona is better. And I'm like, nah, I don't really fuck with this Daytona. And then I sent him this other watch. I'm like, all right, what do you think about this one? He goes, I don't like it. It's just like, damn, all right, fuck. I think that we have an entry right here. I think price is going to come back to here. And again. I think I might just set buy limits. Put some buy limits right there. So buy limits are tapped in. And then I close the first entry at break even, just because I want to be only in 1% or like in 2% risk. Or like I think if you're over risking. I think you should close break even if you're over risking. If you have proper risk, you're totally fine to hold both. Let me put it that way. It's a good push. Alright. Who's in either one of these? Drop a 1 if you're in the first one. Drop a 2 if you're in the second one. Drop a 3 if you're in both. And drop a 4 if you didn't take any. So 1 for the first one, 2 for the second one. No, I said if you're closing break even on the first one. Well, regardless, there's the buy limits on this one. So if you close this one, like, it's not a big deal. You still have the buy limits here. So over risk. If you over risk, bro, like, don't fucking hop in. It's just that simple. A live is popping though. We have 250 people here. It's fire. Guys, all I ask is that you subscribe and you leave a like. See how many likes we have on the stream. I have 177 likes. Guys, let's, you know what? I'm going to do another, I'm going to give it 5 minutes to get 25 more likes to put us up to 300, or to put us up to 200 likes. If not, I'm going to just hop off stream. There's 245 people watching. We should easily be able to get that. Everyone, like that up. Somebody asked, when's the giveaway? The giveaway will be at a random time. I used to do them at the end of the stream, but then just people would just pull up in the middle. So it's going to be whenever I feel like doing it. But it will happen on this stream. Rate setups. So we did the setups ratings earlier. The giveaway is $3,000. Crypto. Probably send it crypto. Crypto or Zelle if you guys are in the United States. I think are the easiest ways. Can you enter the trade now? I mean, it's a little bit further. I think it's still, I mean, I believe we're going to hit take profit, bro. Like, I'll say that. Added buy limits right here. Just wait for this, guys. 1 to 9, 1 to 10.5. It's going to smack. Don't say I didn't tell you. Beep, 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 beep. Hero NZD, I saw the BE. That's from yesterday, I think. Let's see what this shit wants to do. New trader for a month now, trading on demo, want to open a live account. Yeah, I think you should definitely, at least, even, bro, like, opening a live account doesn't mean putting thousands in there. You can open a live account with 50 bucks, with 100 bucks. Like, I think it's just, it's very smart because that's how you learn how to actually trade. Yeah, like the stream up, guys. Like the stream. How many more likes do we need? You guys have 2 more minutes to get 10 more likes or else I'm gonna hop off. It's that simple. I'm here. I don't get paid to stream. I do streams for free. And I don't need to be here if it's not appreciated. So 2 more minutes. I need 200 likes total. There's over 200 people on here. So if everybody hits like, we'll be far past 200. But it's that simple. What broker do I use? The link is in the description, bro. You can sign up directly for it. the timer. Let's see how many likes we have. Oh, we're at 211. All right, bet. We go a little longer. How many subs do we have now? 11,400 exactly. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Híjole. Yeah, I might stop us out right there. Oof. All right. Second trade got stopped. There's only one other thing I'm possibly looking at for gold. But it's okay. It's part of the game. I don't mind taking stop losses as long as my risks are under control, you know? My risk is under control. I have my setup. I had the breaker structure right there. I think that's totally fine. So now what I want to see, potential trade here. This last setup I was waiting on was exactly this sweep here. But I want to see a strong close on the minute one. Now let me show you what I mean by that, guys. I think I know where that last trade went wrong. I'll break that down too in a second. Essentially, I want to see us close in here and then give us a break of structure towards the upside. Then at that point, I'll set limits. And what I would like to see really is this candle close just like that, and then give us a little bit of a bullish run, and then close below that one, and then do this, and then we'll take buy limits right there. That is like the last setup I could possibly see on this one. So even this closing like this is, oh my back. Even this closing like that would be pretty good. It would be pretty good to see that. Bet you my camera just disconnected because I fucking pulled this shit back. Let's check the chat. Oh no, it's still up. Great. No, I have my risk on lock. I don't mind. I'm gonna trade how I trade. Like, if you want to go trade somewhere else, like, go trade somewhere else. I'm gonna do my thing, bro. Oh, why is my camera? What the fuck just happened to my camera? Why does this shit keep disconnecting, bro? It's so annoying. There we go. While this sets up, I'm gonna take a look at a couple other things. I would really like to see this break under now. And then give me just that exact setup I'm looking for. I think that would be beautiful. Yeah, Faku will be here for New York. And we sit on our hands. Oh, what is this gigantic ass wick right here? So the reason I want to see it close below here is because then I can use a really refined stop loss. If we go up straight up to break above this one, then my entry will look like this, covering this whole zone. If we break below and then give that, then we will have something that looks more like this, where I can actually refine it within there. That's the difference between having a wick closure and like not a wick closure. So technically, if I wanted to take this trade, I just thought the stop was too big, and I was willing to go more aggressive, like totally in my comfort zone. Then instead of going like this, you know, I could have went for that for a safer entry. I was willing to go more aggressive, but it didn't work out this time. But that's part of the game. I don't really care. We said I'm glitching. My connection is probably horrible. I'm in a third world country. I'm running off a mobile hotspot. Where is that phone anyways? Oh, my fucking back, bro. I can't explain the fucking pain I have with this setup. I need my fucking chair and my desk. Actually, I need to buy all that shit now because I'm moving. And I'm not taking my stuff with me. I'm literally just... I'm shipping my car, putting my PC in my car, shipping the car, and then just gonna buy everything out there. Moving to Miami. Alright. There's one possibility here, which is we get the closure down here. I need to see it, I want to see it close below these wicks, like very solidly. You know, ideally around like the 50%. And then give me a break of structure. I think that's the perfect setup right there. I think that's the last valid buy setup with my trading style. Doesn't mean that it's going to hit guaranteed, but it means that's my most probable entry, and I'm willing to take it. That's how I trade. But I would like to see it close below these wicks. Like this, there's no arguing that philosophy. I want to see it close below the wicks. Damn, I should have held that one, man. Look how fucking fat that shit ran. GBP CAD, if we analyze this the right way. So choppy in this area right here. That's a minute 5 OB. I think it's gonna ride this up to here. And then I think the potential trade comes in this order block here. This is the minute 5. Let's just go from the minute 15 and then go down. Minute 4 OB is resting right here. Four and the 3 are the same. Minute 2 is up here. Minute 1 is right here. Alright, bro, this guy. GA buys from what? Was I on GA? I thought I was on GBP CAD. What happened to gold? Oh, gold completely destroyed the zone. Alright, bet. It's totally fine. So now that we know that that buy OB isn't going to work, we can look for the potential targets. So where could this go to, right? Play our cards the right way. This could be going to the rejection order block resting over here. It's about finding an entry to keep that momentum flowing. I mean, entering down here gives us a really big stop loss. I would want to see it like pull back, potentially like up to here, and then just give us a nice close under the SMA. And then this would be our target here. Just want to see gold pull back up, give a rejection again off that line. I think that the sells will be solid. This fucking idiot. Fucking bozos. More people think I have time for this shit. Popping GA right now. Just like scalp it on upwards. I just need to see it close solidly again. I read that one close, but there was no bottom, which is what I didn't like. If this one rejects and closes above, I think that'll be really good. No, I'm not in. Let me remove that text on my screen. I'll let you guys know when I'm in. Let me put the Telegram back up so you guys can like see what I'm saying. So you guys will know when I'm in. Shit, this phone's about to die. This phone is my hotspot, so shit cannot die. I gotta make sure it's charged. No, I'm not in. I'm not in. That's why I'm waiting. One, two. Technically, with the way I trade, it would be this one. I don't have to wait on. I'm in gold. Fuck, did I put buying? Motherfucker, I put buying.